Okay, we are going to talk about ping. Ping, network utility. From Wikipedia, the Free Encyclopedia. Ping is a computer. Ping is a computer network administration software utility. So it is administrative. It is an administration software utility used to test the reachability of a host on an internet protocol IP network. It is available for virtually all operating systems that have networking capability, including most embedded network administration. You got that? You got it. Administration. Embedded network administration software. Ping measures the round-trip time for messages sent from the originating host to a destination computer that are echoed back to the source. The name comes from active sonar terminology that stands a pulse of sound and listens for the echo to detect objects underwater. Ping operates by means of Internet Control Message Protocol (ICMP) packets. Pinging involves sending an ICMP echo request to the target host and waiting for an ICMP echo reply. The program reports errors, packet loss, and statistical summary of the results, typically including the minimum, maximum, the mean round-trip times, and standard deviation of the mean. The command line options of the ping utility and its output vary between the numerous implementations. Options may include the size of the payload, count of tests, limits for the number of network hops, time to live that probes traverse, interval between the requests, and time to wait for response. Many systems provide the companion utility ping 6 for testing on Internet Protocol version 6. IPv6 networks which implement ICMP version 6. History: the ping utility was written by Coates in December 1983 during his employment at the Ballistic Research Laboratory, now the U.S. Army Research Laboratory. A remark by Coates on using ICMP echo packets for IP network diagnosis and measurements prompted Coates to create the utility to troubleshoot network problems. The author named it after the sound of sonar makes, the sound that sonar makes, since its methodology is analogous to sonar's echolocation. The backronym Packet Internet Grouper for ping has been used for over 30 years. And although Coates says that from his point of view, ping was not intended as an acronym, he has acknowledged Coates' expansion of the name. The first released version was public domain software. All subsequent versions have been licensed under the BSD license. Ping was first included in 4.3 BSD. The free DOS version was developed by Coates and is licensed under the GPL. Coates developed the React OS version. It is licensed under the MIT license. RFC 1122 prescribes that any host must process ICMP echo requests and issue echo replies in return. Invocation example. The following is the output of running ping on Linux returning 5 probes. 1 second interval by default configurable via -I option to the target host www.example.com. Like so, ping -C 5 www.example.com. That is us pinging. We got a picture of a ping. We have a picture of a ping example. It's a 64 bytes from 93.8184.216.34 color ICMP underscore sec, that is a Q, is 0. TTL, time to live, is 56. Time is 11.632 ms, that's milliseconds. The output lists each probe message and the results obtained. Finally, it lists the statistics of the entire test. In this example, the shortest round trip time was 9,674 milliseconds. The average was 10,968 milliseconds, and the maximum value was 11,726 milliseconds. The measurement had a standard deviation of 0.748 milliseconds. Error indications. In cases of no response from the target host, most implementations display either nothing or periodically print on notifications about timing out. Possible ping results indicating a problem include the following: H, exclamation mark N, or exclamation mark P, host, network, or protocol unreachable. S, source, route, failed. F, fragmentation needed. U, or exclamation mark W, destination network host unknown. I, source host is isolated, etc.